All right, so what we got next?
So we're looking at the 950, and simply this is the snapback version of the 5950. So this has all the same style details as a 5950, but of course you come around to the back and you see the classic famous snapback to the style.
Right.
The sticker's still the iconic sticker, but it's now in a silver colour. Silver colour, smart. So all the same details. You'll see Boo's got his on here. This comes with that flat visor that we talked about, like the 5950. Boo's already shaped his himself, which changes the crown shape slightly.
Another cool point about that is, you know how we were talking about the fits earlier, where even if you take it one snap tighter, that can adjust the shape of your cap as well.
Absolutely.
That makes it a little bit different, or you can make it loose and, you know, really just kind of open it up. And it adds so much more ventilation too.
It does, and you've got, you know what, loads of flexibility, right? People wearing different hairstyles, bigger, smaller, you know, that really helps here. And people just like also, you know, some people don't like the fitted as much, they like this classic look of the snapback, and this lends itself also to being worn backwards. Looks really good because you get that kind of snapback visual on the forehead. So you'll see that, again, a very iconic way of wearing the cap.
It's very 90s too. That just reminds me of like the era back then, you know?
Yeah, it really does. And people just have this as a favorite, which is why we offer these different styles.
Now, what's the deal with the high crown? Because this one is very structured, very vertical. How did this come about?
Absolutely. You know, we talk on that 5950 about having that really proud front, but it does have a slight kind of angle to it where this, you can't get it any steeper. This is absolutely 90 degrees. It gives it a super iconic look and feel, very retro. What I think you'll also see, which is important, that the visor shape is very different to what you'll find on this guy.
Yeah, it's almost squared off a bit.
Yeah, yeah. More squared off. It kind of suits the whole aesthetic and look of this part of the cap. Of course, this is the high crown 950, so the 950 denotes that it has adjustable snapback at the back, which is again very iconic and suits this cap very well. Yeah, so really good cap for us.
What's the deal with this guy on this one?
Yeah, this one couldn't be more different actually. So we talked about the retro crown where it's very lightly structured, so you can see how soft it is here. Right. Couldn't be more different, as I say, but you still have this adjustable back. So this comes in a snapback, also comes in adjustable, different leather, different fabrications that make the cap adjustable. Yeah, and this one, this comes flat visor, but it also can come pre-curved, or you can curve it yourself. There's many different options, and you'll see Boo's got it on now, so you see really different to that high crown, low at the front, soft at the front, a very different visual look to the cap.
Yeah, and this one's going to sit low, obviously.
Sits low,
no profile
yeah,
on
absolutely.
Okay. Everybody has a different style. Everybody appreciates, you know, different ways that things fit. For someone like myself, if I was going to wear a 950, it would be the high crown. Yeah. And I think, you know, Boo is pulling off the retro crown very well. And it's just, you know, being able to adapt to what the consumer needs, what the consumer wants, and just being able to offer a wide array of options is,
people love fitted, but you don't just have to be fitted. You know, people have 950s because they wear it with certain outfits or certain looks and for different times, different occasions. So we do find that people own like a whole array of different fits, which is great. That's why we offer them. And yeah, this is a really successful family of caps for us, the 950.
That's dope. The 950 family.
That's the one.